Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss 3 best video editing apps for Instagram Reels. You can use these 3 video editing software for free. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Number 1. BN Video Editor. Android users will get it on the Play Store and iPhone user on the App Store. Here you get multi-tracking editing, get music for video editing. You will get many type of filter effects. This software has facility for curve shifting. You will see many type of title fonts. There are also many other type of effects that you can understand if you install the software and use it. Number 2. InShot. InShot powerful, all in the one video editor and video make with professional feature. Add music, text, transition effect for videos. Make smooth slow motion, make video collage, blur background and etc. Trim and cut videos, split one video into several clips, add keyframe, animations to text. Chroma gray, remove the selected color. You can use these tools to create green screen videos. Color picker, pick any color on the screen and apply it to the background. Voice changer, add voice effect to clip, add voiceover, make video editing for more fun. There are many more features that you can understand only when you use the software. Number 3. KineMaster. This software is the best from the previous two software. KineMaster software allows for high resolution video editing. This software is the best professional video editing. You must tell which software you personally like among the 3 software. Please comment which software are currently used for video editing. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.